Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So you guys voted for the Fantech X4 gaming mouse and I'm a bit disappointed. You'll see why in a bit. So the Fantech X4, depending on where you buy it, is around 600 to 700 pesos. I was able to buy mine at Lazada for 700 pesos. Unboxing it, you get the mouse itself and a thank you card, which is also the warranty card. The X4 only comes in black. So the Fantech X4 has an unspecified optical sensor, 200 up to a 4800 dpi setting, 15G acceleration, 125 up to a 1000 Hz polling rate, 7 total buttons which are all programmable, and a 6-feet braided cable. Build quality is meh and at least doesn't feel like a toy. I'm not sure how I was supposed to say that. So at this point, I actually don't recommend this mouse even for the price, mainly because of the buttons which are mostly mushy with the exception of the DPI buttons and scroll wheel button, which offer good resistance and are clickier than the others. The right and left clicks, I'm gonna say, doesn't use Omron switches. They don't feel like it, even though they said it has a 10 million lifetime clicks. The side buttons almost feel like marshmallows and are positioned a little bit to the front than what most people would like. But to those of you who are using the X4 and are having a different experience, then leave it in the comments. The design, ergonomics, and sensor of the mouse are the things I can actually praise about it. The mouse feels comfortable in the hand, and overall I like the design. The glossy finish excluded, which I'm not really a fan of, mainly because it easily gets wet, dirt, and all that shit. You also get LED strips on the side, which has no solid color option, so you're stuck with this rainbow stream effect. And a light up Fantech logo, which you can't configure to other colors except for the default DPI options in the software, which I guess kind of makes sense even though they said it has RGB. It's running Chroma RGB, so yeah, disappointed in that too. In the software, by the way, you can program all the buttons, change the polling rate, assign macros, and all that kind of shit. The LED on the logo you can only change if you want it to be pulsating, and that's pretty much it. Going to the sensor, it's actually quite good for the most part. Tracking is accurate, no latency, and the X4 has a 15G acceleration. It does have a 2mm lift-off distance, and combined with the mushy buttons, this mouse is not ideal for FPS games or games in general. The X4 could possibly slow you down when gaming. And just comparing the X4 to the Snapdragon M606 I reviewed, the M606 wins in every aspect. Yeah. So conclusion, if you're looking for a budget gaming mouse in this price point, go for the Rock Aporo or Snapdragon M606, which are way better mice than the Fantech X4. And I think that's it. I thought I was gonna like this, but disappointed. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Leave a like, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link when buying at Lazada, and donate to my Patreon to support the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.